We're at Collegetown Center to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment number 410. This is an apartment at the end of the hallway. You can see because we've got art on the wall here that we're at the end of the hall. It's different on each floor. Let's go on into the apartment. The first thing you'll notice is this counter bar space that we have here. This is in the number 10 style apartments only. So this is the only apartment that will feature that style of counter in the kitchen area. And this one has a wraparound kitchen, so it's the L shape. You can see we've got the stove and oven, the sink and dishwasher, microwave, and there's plenty of cabinets above, one cabinet below, and a drawer, and that refrigerator. As we wrap around, we'll go into the main portion of the apartment. On the left is the bathroom door. We'll pass by that and take a look in there. The bathroom is like we've seen in the other units here in the building. So you've got your tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and you can see the wall cabinets pretty well over here. Let's go on into the main living room space. You can see our chairs. There's a dining table and chair, sofa, coffee table, end table. You can see the air conditioner under the window, and the heater is over along the wall, the heater panel. The air conditioner and heater are individually controlled in each of the bedrooms. We are on the north side of the building here. This is a corner, so we also have a room facing to the west. On the north, we've got Dryden Road. You can see Ithaca Lake over beyond us to the left. And we'll get a closer view of that when we go into the bedrooms, but we're here in Central Collegetown. So we've got some great people watching here from the living room. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So there's a pair of bedrooms and they are right next to each other. We'll start on the left with bedroom 1. As you go in, the furnishings will always be the same. The dresser, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the full-size bed, and there's a closet as well. Each room also has its own individual lock. And again, you can control your own heating and your air conditioning here in your rooms. Let's go on over. So this one is the room that faces to the west. And over to our left, you can see the south view, has a nice valley view over there. And to our right, that's further to the north, and you can see Ithaca Lake, that's the south end of it over there, out in the distance. All right, let's go back around. We'll go into the next bedroom. Here's bedroom 2. Let's head on in. So this room faces to the north. Again, the same furnishings. And we've got everything all set up in here. Let's take a look in one of the closets. They both have the same style closet. So some good storage space for you. And let's go look out the window. We'll get zoomed over on this one. Okay, so this is the window. This is the same view from the living room. Let's get that zoomed in. So you can see it really is a pretty lake view here. As we go back out into the living room, this is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment number 410. This is the number 10 style apartment. We have this style of apartment on floors 2 through 6. This is the northwest corner of the building. We're located at 151 Dryden Road in this 6th floor elevator building here in Central Collegetown, and we're located just 1 block from campus.